Welcome back into the channel, everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video on changing out the bottom bracket on my 3T Explorer because it got ruined at this last year's Unbound. So now that the crankset's out, we have to pop out that Pressfit bottom bracket using a cheap tool just like this. But I'll go ahead and drop down in the description below links to these tools that I'm using here today. Go ahead and get it started by hand. Using your tool, you can slide your press through. It's okay if one side sits flush before the other. And then go ahead and back it out. And your bottom bracket is installed.